Summers are back. Finally, we can remove our summer dresses from the back of the closet. For many of us, hair-free skin is a must before trying out our favorite summer outfits. Are you one of them? Then make sure to watch this video till the end. Hi, this is Umaima Malbari from Girls Buzz. We bring you hand-picked videos about information that different women might need in their lives. Let's get started with today's video. अगर आपको लगता है कि पार्लर में वैक्सिंग करना बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है और बहुत ही टाइम कंज्यूमिंग भी, then you are in the right place. In this video, we will show you how easily you can get your waxing done at home with these Veet waxing strips. Veet waxing strips के अलग-अलग variants हैं. Here we have this Veet waxing strip for normal skin. You can buy a pack of 20 wax strips for 219 rupees only. और अगर आप सिर्फ आर्म्स और लेग्स पर ये स्ट्रिप्स यूज करते हैं, then this packet will easily last you for 2 waxing rounds. The strips also come with added moisturizer. Next, we have Veet waxing strips for sensitive skin. A pack of 8 strips comes for rupees 99 only. जी हाँ, सिर्फ 99 rupees में waxing. Isn't it great? And this last one is waxing strip for dry skin. In this packet we have 20 strips and the price is only rupees 246. These are the 3 variants. You can use the one that best suits your skin type. Now let's check out what this packet contains. Here are the strips. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये एक पतली स्ट्रॉन्ग और पिंक कलर की स्ट्रिप है बेस्ड ऑन योर स्किन टाइप. वीट की ये जो स्ट्रिप्स है, ये बहुत ही कन्वीनियंट है यूज करने के लिए. ट्रांसपेरेंट व्हाइट कलर की जो स्ट्रिप्स मिलती है मार्केट में, उनको बिल्कुल यूज ना करें, क्योंकि उनको पील करने के टाइम वैक्स बहुत ही अनइवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है. दिस क्रिएट्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स व्हाइल वैक्सिंग. As you can see, the shape and the edges of these wax strips make it super convenient to use. Here, we also have these finish wipes that you can use once your waxing is done. This makes sure to clean the leftover wax on your skin. अगर आप ये strips first time use कर रहे हैं, then make sure to test it on a smaller section of your skin. Please don't proceed if your skin shows any reaction. For me, it works perfectly. But every skin is different, so it's always better to test first. Now, let's see how to use Veet waxing strips. जैसे कि पैकेट में mentioned है, it takes 3 simple steps to get your waxing done. Peel, apply and pull. चलिए देखते हैं इसको कैसे करना है यूज. Rub the strip a bit and then gently peel it. देखिए दोनों साइड पर वैक्स कितना इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है. फिर ये स्ट्रिप को अपने स्किन पर अप्लाई करिए. थोड़ा सा रब करिए इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ योर ग्रोथ. इसके बाद रिमूव द स्ट्रिप फास्ट इन द डायरेक्शन ऑपोजिट टू योर हेयर ग्रोथ. एंड इट्स डन. अगर आपकी स्किन थोड़ी ऑयली है, then you can apply a bit of powder before your waxing. थोड़ा सा powder, make sure not to overdo it. If you want, you can also use the finish wipes after waxing. जो वैक्स बाकी है स्किन पर, इससे उसको easily wipe कर सकते हैं. ये वैक्सिंग मेथड एकदम ही मेसी नहीं है and I think it's much safer than hot wax. And the best part is that you can carry it and use it anywhere. और आपको कोई urgent plans हो, then this is your go-to method. Also, it's easy on your pockets and saves you a lot of time. If you had a fun time watching my skin become so smooth in minutes and would like to see more of us, then don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe and the notification bell icon. Bye bye.